In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed anything on Shopify using a link. We'll walk through the full process, step by step, so you can confidently add things like YouTube videos, forms, maps, or other embeddable content directly into your Shopify store. You do not need to know how to code, but you will be working with a small piece of code called an embed code. I'll explain exactly what to do with it. To begin, go to the website that you want to embed content from. For this example, imagine you're on YouTube and you've already found the video you want to show on your store. On the right side or underneath that video, look for the More Options icon, usually displayed as 3 vertical dots, or the Share button. Click on that and a Share menu will appear. In that menu, choose the Embed option. This will open a pop-up that shows a block of code, often starting with the word iframe. You don't have to understand what it means. You just need to copy it exactly. Highlight all of that embed code and copy it to your clipboard. Next, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand side panel and find the section labeled Online Store. Click on that, and you'll see your current theme displayed at the top of the page. On the right side of your active theme, there will be a button that lets you customize or edit the theme. Click that button to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look again to the left-hand panel where your sections and layout are listed. Scroll to where you want your new content to appear, then click Add Section. From the list of available section types, choose Custom Liquid. This section is designed for adding custom code and embeds. After adding it, you can drag it up or down in the list to place it exactly where you want it on the page. Once it's positioned, click the new Custom Liquid section to open its editing options. You'll see a text field or code area. Click inside that field and paste the embed code you copied earlier. Give it a moment for the preview panel on the right side to reload. After it refreshes, you should see your embedded content appear exactly where you place the section. Check that it looks correct, that it fits well on the page, and that it works as expected. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This publishes your changes so visitors to your store can now see and interact with the embedded content.